Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Mino hybrid from a company called Minocasa. This mattress is by far one of the least expensive mattresses I've reviewed, especially being a hybrid and having all of these features. So to start things off, Minocasa is an online brand. They make bedding and other materials, but they also make mattresses. This mattress is a hybrid. It's roll packed. So that means it comes compressed and wrapped in a box. You can buy it directly online and it ships to your house in about a week and a half or so. This mattress does come with a 180-night trial. So you can try it for as many days. If you don't like it, it's a free return. So they are kind of pushing that envelope of the typical 100-night trial, giving you up to 180 nights. If you do want to keep it, they are backed by a strong warranty. I believe it's about 10 years. So, that's probably the lifespan you'll get out of it anyways. But if there are any defects, obviously you can contact the company and they'll make things right. So getting into the mattress, before I get into specs, I'd just like to say that this is one of the firmer hybrids that I have reviewed. So I think they rate it as like a 5 to 10 on the firmness scale. I'm saying probably like an 8.5, maybe even a 9 on that firmness scale, which isn't a bad thing. I mean, if you like firm, this is great. It offers incredible support. So getting into the layers here. So the base layer, it's an anti-skid cover on the bottom. So it's great for adjustable beds or even those smooth platform beds. It'll prevent it from shifting around. Above that, you have your pocketed coil system. One of the great features of this mattress is that it is a 5-zone coil system, which is pretty uncommon at this price point. Speaking of price point, this one retails at about $8.99 in a queen, but I've seen it at 50% off on their website. So it's like around 450 bucks for a queen right now, which is just, like I said, unheard of. So going back to that coil system, you have the perimeters. Perimeter coils are firmer. That's going to give you that extra edge support. You have the zoned coil in the middle, the firmer coils where your lower back is to give you support there. And then the softer coils up by your shoulders and down by your legs. So good quality coil system. Above that, they use a denser layer of foam, 2 layers of denser foam, and then a gel layer of cooling foam above that for extra pressure relief. And then finally above that, they do have this nice stretch knit cover. But like I said, this mattress is a little bit on the firmer side. You're not going to get as much sink. It just kind of sinks in and it is what it is. Some of the mattresses, like in the Nectar line or even the Temper line, with all of that dense foam at the very top, it's going to take some time to kind of sink in and find your spot. That isn't really the case with this mattress. But the positives are you get great support throughout the night. Easy to move around. You get some good bounce out of it because you really get the effect of the coils underneath. The foam doesn't really take away that much from it. And then finally, just an incredible price point. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We'll show how this one compares to similarly priced mattresses in this line.